Autodraw. From your phone or computer, you would go to the autodraw website. Start drawing something. You can then use the autodraw suggestion tool to guess what you are drawing. And you can do this with all kinds of things like house, fish, football, a tree, clouds, or a chair. You could make a coloring or drawing page. Besides drawing with help, you can also do it on your own. It works on your phone, computer, old laptop, new laptop, and fancy tablets. Autodraw lets you draw anything wherever you are. Draw faster with a little help from artists and machine learning in this new drawing tool. Go to https://www.autodraw.com to start creating. Like and subscribe for more.